What is up, guys? I'm not sure if you can hear me right now. I'm driving and it's pretty loud in here, but guys, right now I am on my way to Carson, which is about an hour away. And the reason I'm going there, guys, I don't know if you heard, but Cybon, like the Cybon Carbon Fiber Company, they're having a huge blowout sale. And Jesse's already there. He's been waiting in line since 4 in the morning. I just got off work, so I'm on my way. I'm like 50 minutes out, so yeah, hopefully we could come up on some steals, guys. Jesse said the line is like 3 blocks long, so hopefully there's some stuff left over. And yeah, we're gonna pick up stuff for the whole squad. So guys, hopefully it turns out to a good, hopefully it turns out to like a really good day, guys, because the whole squad can be installing carbon fiber shit, you know. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'm hoping for the best.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kind of hard being Snoop D.
Merge onto CA60 West.
Until 6 in the morning.
That's a Cybon?
Cybon, brother.
Alright, guys, this is Jesse's cousin, Xander.
What's up?
Hasn't been in the videos, I don't think so, but Jesse's right there. So yeah, guys, I didn't record at the place because it was a long line. We're literally in line for like 6-7 hours. These guys were there since like what, like 4 in the morning?
4:30.
4:30 in the morning. I went after work, so it was like 9:30 by the time I got there. So, woo.
Tough, way too hot.
But I mean, it's worth it, guys. Look at, we got a hell of stuff. So, first, what is this? The EK fenders.
Yeah.
So guys, Xander has an EK sedan, which is right there. He picked up some fenders for it. Jeez. And those were, they had what, orange peel, or is that?
This one's the clean one.
That's the clean one, okay.
The other one had orange peel, but you can't.
So guys, literally, so there's so much people. Jesse, how much people was there?
Fuck every single one of you that went.
Jesse's mad because he unfortunately didn't get anything. But guys, alright, so people were literally there like days in advance, guys, and the people that were there first literally bought everything and just like they 9K Racing, guys. I don't know if you guys know 9K Racing. They literally, how much? They pulled up in a semi, guys. They pulled up in a semi truck, guys. 53-foot long trailer and just filled it with stuff, guys. So yeah, but
I guess it was tickets given away way before and nobody even knew about it. So
yeah.
Cybon didn't even let anyone know.
Yeah, guys.
This one is the one with orange peel.
Guys, so this fender has orange peel, which is barely noticeable up here, but guys, can you even tell? Can you even tell? So originally, how much were those originally?
900.
But for the sale.
Oh, for the sale?
Yeah. So oh yeah, originally these are $900, guys. The
Originally.
sale. How much were they for the sale that they had?
The dude wanted close to $300.
Uh-huh.
I talked him down to 150, so 75 a pop.
But what were they, like $50 if you went and got them from Cybon, or?
Yeah, $40.
$40. All right, guys. So we weren't able to get into the actual warehouse. We bought these off a guy that was reselling them. So these were $40, guys. That's how insane the sale was. But he picked them up for $150, which is still a steal.
Mm-hmm.
Sheesh. And guys, I wasn't able to get the special. I bought it resale. But guys, I still came up. What does it say? S2000. Guys, can you guess what this is? Can you guys guess what that is?
The hood.
Yeah, it's a hood. Small ass hood. Nah, I'm not gonna take it out, but guys, picked up a trunk and also fenders. Guys, I got fenders.
This is so nice.
So yeah, guys, like I said, these fenders were like $50. The trunk was $50 to sell, but some guy literally picked up all the S2000 stuff. So guys, I still came up carbon fiber fenders. These are also 10 millimeters wider, and a carbon fiber trunk I picked up for $650, which is not bad at all. Original retail for the fenders is like $1,000. The trunk is like an extra $1,000. So guys, I picked it up for less than retail on one item. So come up. I still think
So
it's a
we're
come
looking
up.
at a total of like $3,000.
$3,000, guys. His fenders were $1,000, $1,000, and we came up. I'm sorry, Jesse. I'm sorry you didn't get it. Guys, so here's one of the S2000 fenders, and guys, I didn't even know it was vented. So,
Lucky bitch.
bro, that's crazy. I'm so happy it's vented, guys. This is gonna look so crazy. And also, guys, this is 10 millimeters wider, and also, guys, it's already flared in the inside. So I think they're pretty much good to throw on. I did want to get smaller tires because, guys, as you can tell, these are all bacon, so I really don't want to destroy these, because one crack in these and it's pretty much finished. So dude, if you drop bro, I'm so
I know
hyped.
we waited since
I'm
4
so
a.m.
hyped.
Andy, and I'm really exhausted.
I'm so hyped. I'm sorry, bro. Alright guys, so making a quick stop at the gas station. We still got like an hour drive, but damn, Jesse, you good to drive, dude? Bro, honestly, you're like the real MVP for this, bro.
It's all good.
How is it uncomfortable? Like, it kind of looks like it.
No, it wasn't that bad. Just the shifting. That was it. Just like having to lift it up and then put it in the dry. It was kind of like
Alright guys, so yeah, like I said, we still got an hour drive home. Had to stop at the gas station. And yeah, we'll continue the vlog once we get back home. Let's get it. Let's get it, guys. I don't even know where the hell we are, but we out. Alright guys, finally home. I'm so beat, guys. I'm gonna throw everything inside and then I'm gonna wrap up this vlog. I'm so exhausted. Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. I couldn't be more content with the pickup. Even though I didn't pick up for the sale price, it would have been insane to pick up that trunk for $50 and the fenders for $50 as well, because both of them retail for $1,000 each. So I mean, it would have been nice, but I still came up. So I mean, it's still a win-win situation. Alright guys, so stay tuned very soon for those installs. For the fenders, I might hold off a little bit because so this basically happened because I got impatient, and like you guys saw, I swapped over the tires, and these tires are too big. So guys, before I throw on those carbon fiber fenders, I do plan on getting smaller tires, and besides getting smaller tires, I also do plan on, like, instead of, well, obviously I can't really roll the carbon fiber fenders or else they're gonna crack. So the inside, I'm gonna like shave it a little bit, and I'm gonna cut like the tabs in the inside. Instead of like flaring them in, I'm gonna cut them off instead, if you guys know what I mean. So yeah, the fenders I'm gonna hold off just a little bit, but the trunk I am gonna test fit. And Xander, Jesse's cousin, said he could wrap the duckbill for me. So yeah, it's gonna look a little weird if I throw on the black duckbill on the carbon fiber trunk. So I'm still gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna do a lot of test fitting, see what I want, if I want to even keep the duckbill. So we'll see, guys. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's quick little video. So if you guys are new, click that subscribe button. And guys, like, the S2000s look so insane with the new pickup. So guys, subscribe and stick around for that, because it's gonna be insane. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. So with that being said, I hope you guys stick around for the next video, and hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you guys soon.